I I'd like to make some modification in respect of the name of the food.
Coming fried rice also. Tired of matter. Please, please.
Supplementary list item number 1.
So one word last again my Russian for disposal of one able pillar shall not double to 15822. By order date 29 6. No, the learning council is not there, so I'm just passing it over.
Item number 2.
Yeah, देखिए तो display board पे चलती बनी. From 2 millers it's a Belgium macro millers. Kindly see next case 13 millers. Outline from the top, that is the part of the rejection of the order millers. Case 13 fourth line. After completion of the investigation, charge sheet has been submitted. 33 number of accused persons under section 147, 148, 07, 324, 326, 506, 149 PC. Read with section 9B and Indian Explosive Act and section 3 and 5 Indian Explosive Substance Act. During investigation of the case, the accused Mahendra Vera was arrested and forwarded to the court. Subsequently, he was released on bail. Thereafter, due to his non-appearance before the court, NBW was issued by the court. Yes, it was a Belgium machine. The antecedent is there. One antecedent. It is. Same incident रे दीटा है. No, this is relates to Quebec घटना है. This is 2014 ସେଗୁଡା କେବେ କର? 14ଟା ଅଛି ଆଉ 14ଟା same incident ରେ ଦୀଟା ଅଛି. Lordship on the previous sitting Lordship granted bail minutes. So self same incident ରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ FIR ହେଇଥିଲା. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ବିହାର ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଏକ୍ସାଇଜ ଆକ୍ଟ ର ସେଇଟା ହେଇଛି 15/4/2020 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଛି ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି 29/11/2024 ରେ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି what are these offenses ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି 115/26 15/2 it is voluntarily causing hurt. Then 126/2 wrongfully restraining, that was 341 then. Then 296, that is 294 of IC. 296, 294, okay. Then 351. 351 criminal intimidation. Back in 3,534 town, no? Subsequent. Or in the self-same incident, data FIR Lordship granted bail in the other 2014 case millers. This in this case, the NBW was issued on 22/3/2024. So when you are taken into judicial custody, millers 30/11/24. Yes, Lordship. That's the rejection of the state. Like, are the Land and Council for the petitioner, Land and Council for the state. The Land and Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was on bail. However, due to non-taking of steps on the state fixed, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him on 22/3/2024 by the Land JMFC Kodara. And he was arrested on 30/11/2024 and produced before the said court. and since then the petitioner is in judicial custody. Further submit that the petitioner is ready and willing to cooperate with trial, cooperate with the early disposal of the trial. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state, on the other hand, submits that the petitioner has got 3 criminal antecedents, and one of the case was instituted recently on 29/11/2024, of course, under magistrate trial offences. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the fact that the petitioner was on bail in this case and is in custody since Belgium format recovery will appear before the learned court below on each state to which the case will be tested. Yes. এটা কোনটা সেটা সেম ইনসিডেন্টরে ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ହେଇଥିଲା ଲଟସି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟେଡ ସେମ୍ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟରେ ଦିଟା one by police and one by the private in connection with the offense of this case. Another case was instituted. The petitioner has been enlarged on bail by this court in BLAPL number 500 of 2025 by the order dated 31/1/25. The order copy is filed and taken on board. Yes.
Item 3.
Well, offense under section number 22C, 26 Act number 24 kg. Persons are there.
Press. You got the case date. Yes.
As the third time allowed before lordship, order dated 22nd to order dated mallet 12/2023, and are pleased to grant me 3 months mallet interim bail.
Then
I
what
am
happened?
custody. I am surrendering time mallet. I am a custody mallet.
All right. Let him obtain instruction about your conduct during the period of interim. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that taking into account the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody and delay in disposal of the trial, the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months in BLAPL number 2757 of 2023 as per order dated 20/12/2023. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. The learned counsel for the state submits that he has received the case diary. However, it takes time to obtain instructions regarding the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail. Of this matter, in the week commencing on 21st February 2025, in the meantime, the status of the case shall be obtained from the learning trial and for such purpose I will be placed with pursuant. Yes.
And may 3 mallet. Whenever I will be. Also, the possession of CJ mallet. There are 3 persons.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବେଲ୍ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି on merit ରେ ଦିଥର ପୁଣି ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ଆହୁରି merit ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
Rejected
Yes.
mallet.
Item 4.
ଏଠି ମୁଁ ପଢୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର considering the submission made by the sworn
Sorry,
to
ma'am. Sorry.
in view of the seizure of commercial quantity of ganja from the possession bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, taking into account the period of detention.
Sorry.
Yes.
Item 4.
May I be able to? So I filed a this case. The mother of the petitioner died on 2nd of this month. Madam.
This is a tied up matter.
Yes, tied up matter. Last occasion, my lord is granted 3 months of interim bail.
In which case?
My lord, in BLAPL 2316 of 24, dated 9/8/24.
Okay. After surrendering, you have
After
filed this
surrendering,
case.
yes.
So Have you taken instruction on this? And what document you have filed?
My lord, the Panchayat has issued, my lord, this is the original.
Uh, Well, we'll do one thing. We'll ask the London court below, trial court, to verify it through the local IAC. And if it is found that his mother is, then the bail will be granted for a temporary period. Deal. IN number 173 of 2025. There is an application for interim bail on the ground that the mother of the petitioner expired on 2/2/2025. In connection with the government's taken in the interim application, the London Council for the, you have not mentioned the date, Acha.
I have mentioned, my lord, the daughter, kindly see, have a glance to page, paragraph 2.
So, ये जो तारीखें
Oh, same time, that first line the लिखी date.
the original of the letter issued by the Sarpanch Nuagada Gram Panchayat stated to be on 3/2/2025. The aforesaid letter is taken on record. The London Council for the state who has received the copy of the interim application submits that he is yet to obtain instruction whether the governments taken in the interim application are correct or not. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties and taking into account the grounds mentioned in the interim application, the document produced by the Land Council for the state, the interim application is disposed of with observations that on receipt of the certified copy of the order, the London Additional Session Judge Anjanagar in ST case number 65 of 2020 will call for a report from the IAC of Soroda Police Station as to whether the governments taken in the interim application regarding the death of the mother of the petitioner on 2/2/2025 is correct or not. And if the report comes that in fact, the mother of the petitioner has expired, the London trial court shall release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 2 weeks from the date of release, with condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activities while on interim bail. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail.
Lord, your lordship may call for the city as well as the
You have not
custody
got the
certificate.
case,
Because all the
in the meantime, the London Council for the state shall obtain the case diary. Yes.
custody
Custody certificate and case diary. We have.
all the necessary custody.
We produce that deposition. Next.
Item 5,
As per a direction of this honorable court, my lord, I am intimated the petitioner to mount the
Last package on 10/1/2025. So lordship directed to file a comprehensive affidavit regarding criminal antecedent of the petitioner, my lord. And I'm ready with that antecedent all the affidavit, my lord.
No, there is a direction that notice has to be issued.
I have already saw extra copy, my lord, on the same.
But they are not received the report. There is still letter. I take it next week.
You have already sent to the concerned IIC or Bora police station for its service on the informant.
I have got the details of all the bail order, my lord, where the petitioner.
No, where is the comprehensive affidavit?
It is tomorrow. I'll
Find it. So not in that way, madam.
My lord.
ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ କେସ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍କୁ ଆଣିଲେ ତ ସେ କେସ୍ର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କ'ଣ କୋଉଥିରେ ଆପଣ ବେଲ୍ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଥିରେ ନାହିଁ ଅଫେନ୍ସ କ'ଣ କେବେ ବେଲ୍ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାର ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ବାଇ ୱେ ଅଫ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସିଭ୍ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଆପଣ
I have prepared it today in course of the day.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେବେ
My lord, copy also, and I have saw your lordship. I have saw.
Please file it. You have not filed the comprehensive affidavit. Comprehensive affidavit ke prepare karantu, file karantu, then copy diyantu for verification. It will come next week. It's not that next Friday. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the comprehensive affidavit is not yet ready, and the seeks more time to file the comprehensive affidavit. Stop. Land Council for the state submits that after receipt of the extra copy of the anticipatory bail application, the same has been sent to IIC Bora Police Station for its service on the informant in Bora PS case number 143 of 2022, but he is yet to receive the confirmation letter regarding service of notice on the informant, and the matter may be taken up next week. This matter on 14th of February 2025.
May I put stay of protection till date till next date, my lord?
Yeah.
Still next date I may be protected. Still next date.
No, you have so many cases. Not it. Yes, next.
Item 8.
Applying with the last order of justice, that is 13/12/24, Lord, regarding the security. I have already supplied to state that copies.
You are a man from Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh.
Lord,
your address is correct, but you have to give the local security.
they did.
Have you taken instruction?
No.
Get the instruction. The Land Council for the state submits that as per the order dated 13/12/2024, he has received the names, address, and documents of 2 local sureties, and he is yet to obtain instructions on the same, and the matter may be taken up next week. List this matter on 14th of February 2025. Yes.
Item 9.
Passport from either case date now. DLAPL 10235 of 2023.
Hello.
Passport.
Item 10. Item 11.
An order dated 13/12/2000. 13/12/2024 status report was called for. That the trial has already been.
Status report has come and it indicates that trial has been concluded and you have been acquitted, right? The periodic status report which indicates that after conclusion of the trial, the petitioner has been acquitted, therefore this bail application has become infructuous. Yes.
Item 12,
12, my lord. When we affidavit already filed, my lord. Initial accused already religion bail. 2% already religion bail. Petitioner is who accused. Yes, that
You
are filling the four police station only we are receiving only the report from the Chowdar. Other we are not received.
ସେ ତ ଆପଣ ସେଇ ସବମିଶନ କରିଥିଲେ
Previous date.
ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ 10/1/2025 ରେ ଏଇଆ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ହାଜ ବିନ୍
Yes.
ସର୍ଟ ଫର ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କଣ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତ ପଚାରୁଛି So learning counsel for the state submit that since the petitioner has got criminal antecedents under jurisdiction of several police stations, after receipt of the comprehensive affidavit, instruction have been sought for from those police stations regarding the correctness of the averments taken, and he has received instruction in respect of some police station. So far as the other police station are concerned, it is still awaited. That was your submission on 10/1/2025. And virtually 1 month is going to be lapsed. Upon যদি respond করনাতি talk to the learned advocate general.
In the last time will be produced.
The learning council for the state system for the time to obtain instruction as per the order dated 10/1/2025 of this matter on 14th February 20. Yes.
item 13,
The incident occurred in the year of 2017, and the petitioner arrested in the 11/5/2024. Admittedly, 2 persons have died in this case. And in this case, 3 accused persons were faced the trial initially, and they are convicted. And in the appeal, they are released on bail. Let's see. And in this case happened, let's see.
You have got the case diary?
Melody.
You see, it is a case of double murder, number 1. Number 2, you are an absconder for about 7 years. So that is itself a ground not to allow you, you face the trial. You and the other co-accused person, they have been also, after facing trial, they have been sentenced to arrive for life. So
They have also released on bail.
they are released on bail, it's all right, but it's a case of double murder. The petitioner was an absconder for more than 7 years, and it appears that the co-accused persons, after facing trial, have been sentenced to life imprisonment. In view of the available material on record, and after hearing the learned counsel for both the parties, I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. It's rejected. Yes, next.
item 14,
Please minors. In this case, my lord, on last occasion, she said that we were known the council to obtain the
Conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail.
There is not adverse.
Beyond road, देवे ना उसमें।
Remember 2/11/2029. He times he also granted interim bail for 3 months and he surrendered in timeline. On time surrender. 21C is Cox Rabna. Okay.
What is the status report?
Status report minor, the objection order annexed to 3 minor mentioned that the Roland report mentioned that out of 38 witnesses, only 12 witnesses examined. In all of that,
You are right, 12 witnesses have been examined. Or 3-star. are Mr. Bharati Das, Land Counsel for the petitioner, Land Counsel for the state. In pursuant to the order dated N1 2025, Land Counsel for the state has produced the report from the IAC Sadar Police Station, Puri, dated 19/1/2025, wherein it is mentioned that nothing adverse was found against the petitioner during the period of his interim bail. The report is taken on record. Stop. The status report submitted by the Land and Trial Court dated 1/2025 indicates that out of 38 charge sheet witnesses, 12 witnesses have been examined. The petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 2/11/2020, and he has been granted interim bail by this court twice. After hearing the Land and Counsel for the parties, and since the petitioner has not flouted the terms and conditions of the interim bail order, further taking into account the slow progress of the trial and the period of detention, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months from the date of release. The petitioner shall surrender the petition. So yes, suppose so.
Item 15.
Mr. Hon'Ble.
Chairman, to accuse person has been released on bail. And process was granted. Initially, the case was registered on 394 and 331. That is 392 and 457 IP. And subsequently, they turned into 331/4 and 310 BNS. That is 457, 393. And apart from this, the present affluent is involved in a series of cases. No,
What are the cases?
there is 10 cases.
What is your comprehensive affidavit? The Land and Counsel for the state submits that the petitioner is involved in 10 cases. Let the Land and Counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction regarding the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit serving a copy Land Counsel for the state for verification. Matter to be listed on 21st of February 2025. Yes.
Item 16.
Case diary अच्छी item number 16 fast work करें.
Item 17.
17. Permit me to place the matter on behalf of Mr. Murthy.
Yes.
20B2C of NDPS Act matter. FR is on 5/11/2020. And that the petitioner was inside the custody. This is the 4th bail application.
Doctor's report मगायतला असेल ना. तेरा भी छोटा agent.
That also I have taken my grounds in my bail application. 6 witness has been examined. Last witness on 30/7 2024 में. And in the meanwhile, he is inside the custody for about.
Now, what about his conduct? Land Counsel for the petitioner, Land Counsel for the state. In persons of the order dated
10/1/2025, Learning Council for the state has produced the report dated 6/2/2025, the IAC Arwa police stations, wherein it is mentioned that during the interim bail period, petitioner has not committed any criminal activities and he has shown good behavior to the people of the locality. The report is taken on record. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 5/11/2020, and since there was delay in disposal of the trial, he has been granted bail on how many occasions?
On 2 occasions, my lord.
On two occasions for a period
Of
each-
3 months each.
on each occasion for a period of 3 months. So, here is the report, status report submitted by the Land and Trial Court, from which it reveals status report date ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 17/1/2025, from which it appears that out of 13 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, slow progress of the trial, since the petitioner has not flouted terms and condition of the interim bail, and inclined will be an interim bail for a period of 3 months. Let's dispose.
Item 18.
Sahoo resident. Yes, sir. 18.
18 million 20A1 of NDPS Act regarding cultivation million, and here on the last petition, Lordship called for the antecedent.
Yes, diary of antecedent Magaitla.
There are 4 persons, and it is alleged that one person, Lordship granted bail, that he was implicated on the basis of the cooperative statement. He is a home guard. He was protecting, and these petitioners were found while it is alleged that watering the cannabis.
Who area?
The Kondamala,
Kondamala.
Daringabadi.
Planted the cannabis 70 acres.
Yeah.
70 acres of land.
A jungle land, and was hilly and jungle area.
कौन हल्ला आपको किसी आउ किसी अच्छी criminal antecedent report पाइले no antecedent report दो ना थी record रहेगा ना नहीं नहीं आपको दिले xerox कर दो आपको ये एवढा को xerox करी नानिवा कथा ना क्यों होता लोक कोटी करो
सब लोकल लोग सही गाँव का पाख गाँव रो ये जो कंदी वारपंग पोस्ट पीएस दारिंगबाड़ी
xerox करी लोग ना the Land Council for the state has produced the report from the IAC Daringbadi police station, which indicates that there is nothing adverse against the petitioner. That report is taken on record. এটা হচ্ছে আপনাদের 2 জনଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି ସତ୍ୟଜିତ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ଆଉ ମାନସ ପ୍ରଧାନ. But what about
तो कार नहीं है
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆଦିରେ 4 ଜଣ ପିଟିସନର୍ସ ଅଛନ୍ତି.
तो फॉरेस्ट
Please verify it. Please see that there are 4 petitioners and your report is only with respect to one. ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
दी जन को पे रिपोर्ट है मानस
ସେ 2 ଜଣ ତା ଦେହରୁ ଜଣେ ପିଟିସନର ନା
हां
ପିଟିସନର ହଉଛନ୍ତି ମାନସ, ରାଜୁ, ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ଆଉ ଆଦିକନ୍ଦ. ହଁ ନା ନାଇଁ आपण जो रिपोर्ट टा पाइछन देखो एटा जो दी जनक ना रे अछि मानस अछि आउ जन ना जे कि पिटिशनर नाही किंतु राजू प्रफुल्ल आ आदिकंद तांकर किछि रिपोर्ट आसीनी ना आसीची आपण रिपोर्ट को मगे आर सुतार न लेखन ये कहिबे ना ए सब जिंस आपण को नाही the Learning Council for the State submits that as per the order dated 7/1/2025, though he has received the instruction relating to the criminal antecedent of petitioner number 1 Manas Pradhan, but no report has been received in respect of petitioners number 2, 3 and 4, that is Raju Behra, Prafulla Kumar Pradhan and Adikanda Pradhan, and some more time may be granted in that respect. Please this matter on 14th of February 2025.
Item 19.
In this case, the report was called for. Flag D is the report. Saki usually report us.
Again, also sir, आपको ऑफिस में kindly glance order dated 6/2/23, your office is directed to dispose of the trial within 6 months. In the meantime, 2 years long plus, but one witness examined so far.
आपण जाइथिले 3 मास रे जो बेल
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଚରଣ ବିଷୟରେ
କିଛି
କିଛି
ନାହିଁ ତିନି ଥର ଗଲେ ଥରେ ତିନି ଥର ଗଲେ
बार 8/2021 रे आपन कस्टडी को निया गला हां तापर आपन जो 3 थर जाई जन को दिन केबे केबे माने को बेल एप्लीकेशन
13554 of 23
13554
of 23
हां
13794 of
23 13 एटार गले 3 मास अच्छा 13554 तापरे
13794 of 23
से ऑर्डर टा काई देई ना दे अपन अच्छी कॉपी ऑफ द ऑर्डर अच्छी
ये लेके 13794 of 23
अपलोड है
ना एथरे नाही
नहीं अपन
तापर आ गोटे आज्ञा 6896 of 24
जोड़ा को देखिबो जे ऑर्डर गुडा को अच्छी ना नहीं आ वेबसाइट रे बुझिलो सेटा को यदि थिबो ताकू ये कर दो कनेक्टेड जेतो दिखाउ सबुडा बार करियो ना गोटिए कोन found you have obtained the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail. Obtain that. You take up on 14. The Learning Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been granted interim bail thrice by this court in BLAPL number 13554 of 2023, 13794 of 2023 and 6896 of 2024. However, he has not filed the orders of BLAPL number, the aforesaid bail application. So you produce it on the next day. Website with it, you seek some time to produce the bail orders copy. Let the Learning Council for the state obtain instructions regarding the conduct of the petitioner on interim bail. Put up this matter on 14th February 2024.
Item 20.
Documents and unnecessary review to IPC. The last bail application by in bail number 5529 of 2023, by disposing on 24/12 for 2024, your lordship has by not inclined. Directed since the petition is in custody.
15টা সাক্ষী ହେଲେଣି
ତ 6 ମାସରେ ନ ସରିଲେ ଆସିବ।
ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି, but you given those deposition copy of 15
Yes,
witnesses?
I have annexed.
What they have stated against you?
Well, there is a
କଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି?
extrajudicial confession.
ତାଙ୍କୁ deposition copy ଦେଇନା।
I'll brief him.
Annexure 2 ଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି deposition copy.
And
Please verify.
PW6 has
They have not seen that.
the allegation of extrajudicial confession is there.
Annexure 2 ହଉଛି deposition copy ହେଲା, verify କରନ୍ତୁ next week ରେ ନବା ହେଲା, 302 case ଟା ହେଲା। The peru the status report submitted by the London Trial Court dated 16/1/2025, from which it appears that out of 26 charge sheet witnesses, 15 witnesses have been examined. So, London Counsel for the state submits seeks some time to go through the deposition copies which have been annexed the bail application put of this matter on 14th of February 2025. Yes.
Item 21.
Yes, Mr. Sahoo.
Yes, Lordship.
Item number 22.
April. On the last October, notice has been issued to the respondent and the status report was sought for the law of trial court. The status report has come. We have in the meantime, 9 witnesses are examined out of 21 such witnesses.
So notice has been served. When it was served? Please pass on that. And you have received the case diary. Earlier bail application was rejected. In view of the eyewitness account of Anusuya Nayak, widow of the deceased Raju Nayak, and the post-mortem report finding. So witnesses have been examined. Where is the deposition copies?
Yes.
नहीं नहीं रखी ना कॉपी रखी वही बात है. So give the deposition copy of the status report submitted by the Narayan Trial Court dated 7/1/2025 indicates that out of 21 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined. The Narayan Counsel for the petitioner has filed the deposition copies of the witnesses which are taken on record. He has also handed over the deposition copies to the Narayan Counsel for the state who seeks some time to go through the same. So, the Narayan Counsel for the state has produced instruction from the IAC or so and so police station that the notice on the informant has been made sufficient since 14/1/2025. Is taken on record. None appears for the informant. Matter will be listed on 14th of February 2025.
Let's see, along with another co-applicant, that is the CRL number 101.
1013. Fine.
No, along with it, next week. On the same day, notice is issued both the cases.
Acha, the Narayan Counsel for the petitioner, appellant submits that CRL number 1013 of 2024 is a connected matter in which also notice has been issued to the informant, and this matter may be listed along with one. Please, this matter. Notice copy.
Item 23.
Thank you. Mr.
for extension of time to deposit the misappropriated amount. While allowing the disputed bail application, my lord directed the petitioner, this present petitioner to deposit as misappropriated 65,000, my lord. By then your lordship directed that you deposit before the video order. That she could not deposit, my lord. Now she is ready.
So how much money you have deposited?
Nothing, my lord.
No.
She is offered, therefore could not also arrange money, therefore could not deposit, my lord. Now when she went to the video, the video said that the time has already expired, therefore we get it extended. It's the order. Could you please present it?
Here is the order dated 21/2022. Wherein, while granting anticipatory bail to the petitioner, the condition was imposed that she shall deposit a sum of rupees 65,000 before the video organ block within a period of 6 weeks from the date of passing the order, and to produce the receipt before the London JMFC organ. And if the petitioner fails to deposit the said misappropriation amount and produce the receipt, the London magistrate shall issue non-bailable warrant of arrest against the petitioner. In the interim application, grounds have been taken that the petitioner not be able to arrange the amount deposit before the video. And the London Organ had order dated 21/10/2020 has issued non-bailable warrant of arrest against the petitioner. Since the petitioner has flouted the terms and conditions, I am not inclined. What you have sought for? Extension of time.
My lord, I will deposit the amount to the video.
The London Council for so and so sought for extension of time to deposit the money. This matter on 21st of February 2025. The London Council for the petitioner shall produce the documentary proof regarding deposit of the money in terms of the order dated 21/2022. Yes.
Urgent copy of this order will be granted. So that I will show it to the video and they will accept.
Yes.
Item 27.
Extension allowed. Next.
Item 28.
Extension allowed.
Item 29.
To dispose of bail application, though interim application IA number 4 of 2025 has been filed for extension of the bail period, interim bail period. However, the London Council for the petitioner submits
that the petitioner has already surrendered before the court below. And he has produced the surrender certificate, which is taken on record. The interim application is disposed of. Yes.
Item 30.
May I? This is the application for cancellation of the bail.
Hmm?
This is an application for cancellation of the bail. The FR at Annexure 1, Annexure 2, Your Worship, is that page 13, Your Worship. It is pertaining to Fatehgarh CS case number 249 of 2021, which was under section 294, 323, 340, 354B, 354, 379, 5066. In which Your Lordship has granted bail. The bail order is at Annexure 1. The relevant portion would be at page 12. May I read? Fifth line from the top. I am inclined to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail, and accordingly, this court directs that in the event of arrest of the petitioner in connection with the aforesaid case, he shall be released on bail on furnishing bail bond of rupees 10,000, which with one surety for the like amount with the satisfaction of the arresting officer, with further condition that he shall make himself available for the interrogation by the IO as and when required, and he shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, promise to any person acquainted with the facts of the case who was to dissuade him from disclosing such fact to the court or to the investigation officer. Your Lordship. Lordship, may I take Your Lordship to the FIR once again?
No, have you flouted the terms and
Yes, Lordship. From page 17, Your Lordship, the informant in the FIR, which Your Lordship has granted bail, he belongs to Bhagwanpur, Your Lordship. And while during bail, he has involved himself in many other cases, including that of one in respect of Bhagwanpur village itself. Lordship, that the subsequent FIR is at Annexure 3, Your Lordship, as page 18.
So, where is the ground? Let us see the ground there. That after he has flouted the terms and condition of the bail order.
Your Lordship has directed that he should not induce
Right.
influence in any kind of thing. The first FIR in which he was granted bail, it was in respect of an informant who belongs to a Bhagwanpur village. Your Lordship. That there is a group quarrel, Your Lordship. Thereafter, after releasing on bail, he involved himself another offense, which is in under section 126 2, 296, 118 in 1, 118 in 2, 109, 351 2, 35, 25, 27 arms act in respect of that particular village of Bhagwanpur, Your Lordship.
No, you should come to your paragraph number 6.
Yes. Yes.
You have mentioned different.
There are different cases here. He entangled himself after release on bail, Your Lordship.
No, but you see, this I passed the bail order on 27.
27-1.
These are the cases which were instituted after that.
After release. Yes, sir. Lordship, kindly, may I please page paragraph 7, Your Lordship? That would be clear. The opposite party accused Dr. Vishnu Prasad Sahu, who is involved in such a large heinous crime and is under court bail with condition mentioned in the order while granting bail, has again committed crime by Fatehgarh case number 225 of 2024 under sections 1 to 7 in violation of the bail condition.
All right. There is an application under section 483(2) of BMSS 2023 for cancellation of anticipatory bail granted to the opposite party Vishnu Prasad Sahu as per order dated 27-1-2022 in ABLAPL number 5 of 2022. The Learning Council for the state pointed out from the bail order wherein conditions were imposed that the opposite party shall make himself available for interrogation by the IO as and when required, and he shall not, directly or indirectly, make any inducement, threat or promise to any person acquainted with the facts of the case so as to dissuade him from disclosing such facts to the courts, to the court or to the investigating officer. The Learning Council drew the attention of this court to paragraph number 6 of the CRLMA petition, wherein it is mentioned that the petitioner involved himself in as many as 5 cases after the anticipatory bail order was passed, out of which 4 are of Fatehgarh police station and 1 is of Maitri Bihar police station. And the offenses and in 3 of those cases, charge sheet has already been filed against the petitioner. Stop. Issue notice to the opposite party as to why the bail which was granted on 27/1/2022 in ABLAPL number 5 of 2022 shall not be cancelled for misutilizing his liberty. Requisites for issuance of notice on the opposite party shall be filed within 1 week. Speed post of delivery. Matter will be listed on 7th of March 2025. Objection, if any, filed by the opposite party in the meantime, giving copy to the Learning Council for the state.
My lord, I pray my lord, may kindly direct the video to accept my deposit money.
ସେଠାରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତ ଆପଣ ଦାଖଲ କରିବେ ବୋଲି ତ କୁହାହେଲା ଆଉ କଣ ଆଉ ସେ କଣ
accept on that for
in the event the aforesaid money is deposited, the videos are accept this one. Yes, next. Pass over document.
Pass over item number 1.
May I please, your lordship? This is a successive bail application. Earlier, this honorable court has granted. Earlier the petitioner has approached this honorable court for anticipatory bail, but however, this honorable court did not incline to release him on anticipatory bail. However, passed first hour, second hour order. Now, this is a successive bail application. The allegation against the petitioner are under section 341, 294, 224, 354, 506 of IPC. As far as the FIR allegation is concerned, my lord, this particular incident arising out of a quarrel, my lord, in a village.
The assault was made.
Assault was made.
And the lady was referred to district headquarters hospital. Then she was referred to AIMS, and she was admitted as an indoor patient, and left distal radius fracture with right bone forearm fracture was there, and she was treated from 18/2/2022, 9/3/2022. So that was the reason, and taking into account the nature of offense, I was not inclined to grant anticipatory bail. So why have you again come?
In the meantime, charge sheet has been submitted, my lord.
All right, submitted.
The charge sheet has been submitted. Now, my lord, the petitioner is ready to cooperate with the trial, my lord. And there is no fruit for purpose will be stopped if he is taken into custody.
Earlier bail application has been rejected in ABLAPL number 2215 of 2022 as per order dated 29/3/2022.
taking into account that due to overtax committed by the petitioner, the injured Pushpanjali Pradhan was admitted in CSC Sakirupal. Subsequently, she was referred to District Headquarters Hospital, Puri, for better treatment, and then she was referred to AIMS from District Headquarters Hospital, Puri, and where she was admitted in TEM for bed number 14, and after distal radius fracture with right bone forearm injury, a fracture. And she was discharged from the AIMS on 9/3/2020. You know, a pertinent question has been put to the Land Council for the petitioner that what is the change in the circumstances and why the petitioner has not complied with the said order. He submitted that now charge sheet has already been submitted. And in view of Land Council for the state of course the fair for bail, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective party, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, it is ordered that in the event the petitioner same order and be reported to you.
Item 9.
Land Council for the petitioner files a memo to not with this bail application disposed of as not this.
Item 16.
302 case. You have received the case diary? Yeah.
Report and the behavior of the
During Interim, no case has been registered against the petitioner. Then you are granted interim bail for
period of 3 months.
3 months in ELAPL 4754 of 23 as per order dated 25/2020. No case has been registered. So now what is the position?
18 substitute cases, out of which 12 substitute cases have been examined.
But that is not
Or antigens also needs to be.
next status report also. The Land Council for the state has produced the report dated 6/2/2025 from IAC Pipli Police Station, which indicates that no case has been registered against the petitioner in Pipli Police Station. The report is taken on record. The let a status report be called for from the Land and Trial Court. I'll be placed before Suvanshu. The Land and Council for the state, however, submits that article for elected that the petitioner has got 4 criminal antecedents. Let the Land Council for the petitioner obtain instruction regarding the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit. Matter will be listed on 21st February 2025.